Alright, so I just recently tried to see what I could do with this and kind of messed up the blade a little bit, the edge at least. And I got some new stones in today. Gonna try to reprofile here, get it a little better here, and shine it up here. Figured it'd be okay to try to break this diamond stone in to reprofile this because it's so bad. So I'm gonna get started, see if I can get this fixed. Alright, so here is that edge. I don't know how well you can see it. This is all being filmed on a GoPro. I don't have a fancy setup really. So anyway, that's what we're starting with. We're gonna see what we can get to. Let's do it. That is just tearing that up. That is awesome. Removing material super fast. Let's see. I think it's going to make pretty quick work of it. Just got to get those chips out. Gonna go at a really aggressive angle just to try to work the chips out. We are almost there. I can't believe we probably another 20-30 seconds we'll have all those chips out. And they're gone. There are no more chips in this blade. There's no edge on it. There's a tiny little spot, but as I put a bevel on there, it'll take care of that. Let's get an edge. It actually creates a lot of heat. It's coming in quite nicely. Can hardly feel a burr up there at the top. Okay, now I just gotta blend that together. Very, very nice. This is my first diamond stone, and I'm very impressed with the quickness that it removes material. Very impressed. Coming in very nicely. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, a little bit of a shine on it. Yeah, cool. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fantastic. Everybody's gonna love it. That is so nice. Can't really tell on the camera, but bevels are looking pretty even. Alright, we're apexing. Tip needs a little work. Thank you, Outdoors55, for suggesting such great stones. Daggum. Starting to look more uniform. Freaking beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. That thing cuts so fast. Okay. We have apexed fully. Got a burr. I got too excited and jumped to the next grit before that chip was completely gone. Okay. Need a napkin. You can see the burr. I can push the burr. now with the burr, I can't tell if the chip is going. Oh, hold on. Pull the burr to one side. Looks like it's gone. Let me get this uniform. A little more to get it all about the same. Beautiful. I don't know if he'll ever see it, but Jared, I think, or whoever needs knives, help me understand. Raise your elbow to get this part. Works perfect. I used to use my wrist and get inconsistent angles. Awesome. There we go. Apex all the way. Now, gotta tie in right here. Crappy leather strap. Off the torse side. Well, that just ripped. It's pretty good. Like I said, that was 320. Not the best, but pretty dang sharp for 320. Already looking much better. Goodness. Love the stone. You can feel the burr. Those corners catch. Yeah. So ours are good. Let's do a few more passes and take it to this guy. Pretty, pretty, pretty. and shiny. I know I hold this side weird, but it's the only way I can do it comfortably. Gosh, it's been a good edge on it. Look at that crap, just on a brand new diamond stone. Beautiful. Alright, so anyway, I'm about to go to the Shaptons, but just off of this guy here, the Sharpal, freaking, of course I stropped it a little on my crappy strop that used that green compound that is not great. This stone, my God, love it. Like I said, this is just on the diamond stone I just got. Crazy. We'll work on the tip just a hair more, and we're gonna move over to the Shaptons. One thing I learned from Neve's knives, keep your wrists locked, and to do the motion to get to the tip here, elbow up. Keep that wrist locked. And when you come to this, just lift your elbow up, and man, it works good. Thank you, Neve's Knives. And also, thank you, Sharpal. But before I can thank Sharpal, I have to thank Outdoors 55, because he introduced it. Well, he said it is the best value stone right now. I got it off Walmart. They had 2-day shipping, whereas Amazon had shipping that was wanting me to wait a week. So I went with Walmart, got the 2-day shipping. I paid like $70. Let's see. Well worth it. Look at that edge, man. I can't believe that's off this coarse diamond stone. It says 1200, but I don't know. This is the first diamond stone I've ever had. So, yeah, this side seems good. We need to work on the other. Get the burr off before we go to the Shapton. Even though your elbow comes up, that wrist stays locked. That is apexed. So I watch Forge and Fire and stuff, and I hear people talk about apple seed edges, convex edges, and stuff like that. Anybody want? I need to learn about that. Does anybody want to maybe drop a comment? Tell me what that is and maybe how you achieve it. Definitely going to watch some YouTube videos on it, but of course, it'd be cool to gain some information from you guys. I know not all YouTube videos are alike, so yeah, just let me know what you know. I have upgraded. I got me a napkin. Trying to get rid of the burr. They say use light passes. I think that mostly did it, but we're going to get the rest off with the strop. And if anybody's got any stropping compound they want to suggest, let me know, because this is a crappy old strop. Made it myself, but I used some really awful compound. It was just that rub-on bar. I mean, it does something. It helps remove the burr, but I don't know if it does much else. Ooh, gosh, that's sharp. And remember this, I am pretty new to sharpening free-handed myself. I went to Walmart and bought one of those Work Sharp guided ones and realized it was really hard to get Cold Steel's knife to fit into them because they're thick and the jaws, it was just weird for me. Ooh, that, goodness gracious, look at that. That's a push through. Yeah, she's sharp. Thank you, Outdoors55, for the suggestion. Alright, so I got a pretty daggum good edge off of the new diamond, the Sharpal diamond stone, double-sided. This is the 8x3, by the way. There's a, I think it's a 6x2. I would get this one. There is so much room to work. It's, yeah, you got all that. Okay, so glad I got that one. All right, let's try a Shapton. First time ever for me using a Shapton. Love it. So excited. It's a splash and go, so you don't have to soak it. Just give it a little spray. While I'm on the subject of water on a stone, apparently you're not supposed to put water on the diamond stones because they can rust. So we don't do that, we'll just wipe it off. Outdoors55 said a pencil eraser, if you get anything gummed up in there, a pencil eraser can help get it out. Oh gosh, my first stroke, here we go. Oh yeah. That feels so good. Golly. Man, that makes the edge look nice compared to the diamond stone. Golly. Like with my eye, I can't really even tell there's scratches on it hardly. And that was just a few passes. I'm sure under the microscope like Outdoors55 does, you can see them all, but man, super nice stone. Super nice stone. I'm almost nervous to take it up to the 5,000. Goodness gracious, you guys. If only you guys could see this edge. She purty. I'm impressed. I can feel the tiny burr. I don't know if you can see that, but man, that's a shiny edge. Proud of that one. Like I said, once again, thank you, News Knives. The elbow trick. Lifting the elbow and not turning the wrist. I guess I should probably wipe that off. My gosh, I'm retarded. Also, if anybody has any tips or tricks, feel free to let me know, because I'm not an expert by any means. This stone feels good. Compared to my, I had the Smith's Tri-Hone before this. Compared to that, this feels like, I don't know, amazing. I think my angle's off by just a hair because I didn't even get rid of the burr. Okay. Burr is gone. It is rolled to the other side. Gosh, highly impressed. I can feel the burr on the stone. When my knife goes over it, I get what they say about feedback now, or whatever they call it. Frickin' sweet. Oh, yes. Nice and uniform, and gosh. I think I'm almost done with the scratch pattern. Like, I think I've got the most of them out. I'll go for a little while longer just in case. But look at that, man. Also, with the Smith's Tri-Hone, I had to use oil, and I prefer I prefer being able to just use a squirt of water. That's pretty cool. I'll feel the burr, little bitty thing. It's fine, fine, fine. So happy with that edge. Alright, I'm gonna try to strop to get that off. See what this bad boy feels like. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. So smooth. I can see it removing some steel, but it feels like it's doing nothing. Outdoors 55 said this one was more like a finishing just for polish. Oh my gosh. He's right. That, oh my gosh. That is wild. I've never gotten an edge like that. Wow. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that thing's almost like a mirror now. Jeez Louise. Freaking awesome. And, oh, can't tell you. I'm blown away. You see it shine on the camera. So nice. I can see a reflection on that dam. I guess the scratch pattern on this side was a little worse. It's not as good, but man, it looks good. Let's get her good. Gosh. Blown away, guys. Alright. Scoot you over, bring you in. I'm almost scared this nasty ass strop's gonna make it worse. I need a better stropping compound, and I need to make a new strop. We'll make a video out of that. Let's see what we got. It's not even there. We'll say this is the nicest edge I've ever put on a knife. Oh, that did it. I've never gotten one this sharp. No way this is gonna work, but let's see. I feel like if I had a better strap, I could do this. No, it's tearing. But Walmart receipt. Oh, like nothing. Sharpest ever got a knife. Dunsy onesies. From all kinds of fucked up to the best edge I've ever had. Thank you, Sharpal and Shapton, and the advice of Outdoors 55 and Neves Knives. Thank you guys. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it if you watched it. Have a good night. See ya.